picking up on Phoenix energy, birds of praise, and the cobra, the slug. I know this sounds random, but trust me, there's a correlation between all of this. This is all about transformation and rebirth and change and seeing the truth, the clarity. You recently came into some information. Some things came to light. I feel like intuitively you were already picking up on these things, but you hadn't gotten any confirmation until you did. Which you knew that this would happen. You called it a while ago. Having to do with a past person and things that were stolen from you, whether that be time, possessions, just all in all being taken advantage of. And it's coming to light who all was involved and how planned this entire thing was. And it's got you in your head a bit. Because you showed up in such a loving energy to begin with. You were still young, you were still naive, you still were learning how to set boundaries. Well, now you're walking amongst all these truths, seeing things with real eyes. And it's still, even after all this time, it is still hard to choke it down. Rather be the hunter than the prey. At one point you asked the divine to see with real eyes. Careful what you wish for, because you just might get it. You're being encouraged to heal this part of yourself and to continue on forward. I've said it before and I'll say it again. He showed you who they were before he showed them who you were. And if you think that they aren't eating all those words that they said, they are. They absolutely are. Every single one of them. And karma has been served on a nice old platter. And I feel like you didn't even want that, but you knew it was coming. They did too. Alchemize what you're feeling, sit with it for as long as you need to. Be thankful for the truth. Because now you can move forward without anything holding you back. You have a lot of lives that you're going to change and a lot of people that you're going to help. You don't get to give up now. Especially knowing what you know now. They've stolen enough, haven't they? Don't let them steal anymore. If you're interested in a reading or to discuss this one a little more in depth, feel free to message me. This is my only account. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Give me a follow if you're not following me. And you weren't crazy. You were right the whole time. Love you.